BMNR stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Especially looking at Bitmine Immersion technologies, this is such a decent bullish market with a 17% correction, which is not small, but I'm still very open-minded for long side buys. Having done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, and now especially just looking with this with BMNR. Bro, what my outlook looks like is that, I've previously started making videos when this thing was like quite low, 26 bucks. And you might not even believe me, but I do have the proof to back up my claim. Here it is. It was like 28 at the time, by the way. It's 6 days back. Then I made this one, which I absolutely demolished, I just cut it out to the dot. And then after that, now we're sitting here. The only thing that I care from here on is having that ability to have like a decent double break so that I can take things further up, right? And I mean, it's not out to my control, but I definitely have a control of how I react and how I act upon, getting that shift and whatnot. I've already seen that double break happening. In this case, the only thing that I care about is whether the price is going to pull back down just a bit to give me the confirmation so I can take it further up, you know what I mean? And if I don't see any sort of confirmation, that's totally fine with me. I'm just not going to move forward. And you're going to miss some moves, you're going to catch some moves, and that's totally just part of the process. If you want all the sauce for absolute like risk-free, then just go ahead and check out the first link in the description. See you.